Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Eduling Educator Dashboard on a browser. So the first step that you should do is actually to create an educator account on the Eduling Speak app. So you just download the app, get started and create an educator account there. So that is the very first step. And to get to this dashboard, you can type educator.eduling.org. And let me just click enter here. And it will take you to this sign-in page. I often log in with Google, so that is what I'm going to do here. I click continue with Google, and then I use the email that is used for logging in here. And as you can see, I have already created a few classes here. But to create a class is very simple. You click on this create class icon here, and you can give your class a name. This is test 3, and class section. This is just for you to manage your class, and you can have some introduction here. And you can choose a background image and click save. And if it is slow, you can click refresh, and you can see that your class has been created. Now I'm going to just show you the class that I have been using here. When you click on it, the first page that you're getting to is the news page. And you can see the different tabs here on the top of the screen. We have news, assignments, members, and on this background image, you see the name of your class, and you can add it to your class as well. Now on the left-hand side, you see this sign here. You can click on this sandwich sign, and you can also access the different tabs. There is something that is different here. This is invitations. This is for you to manage the invitations from your class. Or if you want to go back to the list of the classes, you can click home and you will go back to the list of the classes here. So, another thing that you should pay attention to is the class code. On the very home screen, you can see different class codes for your classes. So now I'm going back to my class here. On the first page, you can make announcements to your students, and your students can also comment on your announcements, and they can also make their own announcements. This is really good for them to connect with one another, to arrange time to study together. On this tab here, you can create assignments. And you can see that I have already created some assignments here. But to create, you can just click on this, and then you can choose a task from the app. And you can browse by categories. We have 12 different categories here. Or you can type a name. You can search for a topic. So let's just say family. You can see that a few tasks show up here. There's family in the conversation topics category. This is for students in this age range from 6 to 12, and the level of difficulty is 2. And then you have other categories here as well. So let's just say that I want to choose this picture differences. So I'm going to select it. And I'm going to assign it to all learners. Right now I have 2 in my class. And then I can put the title here, test 5, whatever you want. You can assign a due date. So let me see, time here, and you can add a description. Please complete this task with another student in the class. And then you click create. And now the assignment is created, and you can see who you assigned it to. And later on, you can also view who has submitted it. So I'm going to go back to my assignments tab here, and I'm going to show you how to check submission. I'm going to click on task 4 here, and you can see that one student has turned in their homework. So you click view and you see that this student has completed it. So you click view again, and you can see that this student has completed the task on the app, but the student actually submitted a wrong task here. So this is just an example, but you can view the information relevant to the task. Okay, the last thing that I'm going to show you is how to invite students to your class. And there are two ways for you to do it. You can click on members here, or you can click on invitations here. So let me click on members first. And then you can invite a student by typing in their email. And after you click send, then your class code and a unique invite code will be sent to their email, and they will have to use those codes to join your class on the app. And if the student hasn't joined after a while, and perhaps you can send them an email yourself and send them the codes. So let me show you how to check the codes. I already showed you how to check your class code. It is right on the home page. But if you want to check the invitation codes, you can check invitations here. And you can see that I have invited a few students to my class, and 2 have joined the class. So I already see them show up on my list, but this student hasn't joined. So I can email the student and send this code again together with my class code in order for them to join. So I think that is it about the dashboard, and I would love to have you use it and give us feedback so that we can improve it, so that it is helpful for your teaching as well as for students to practice speaking in pairs on the app, as well as completing other tasks on the app. Thank you for listening.